Before you choose a website builder for your website, make sure to watch this video to the end. I will be comparing the best website builders and clarifying the important things you need to consider before making a choice. This is a definitive guide to selecting the best website builders, whether you need a content framework, an e-commerce engine, or a no-code canvas. The fundamental choice you face is between ownership and convenience. Do you lease a convenient closed ecosystem or invest in an open, fully owned visual engine? When deciding, consider 3 core metrics: technical control, maintenance, and operational cost. Think about how much back-end access and control you need, your willingness to manage security and updates, and the long-term cost of subscriptions versus dependencies. So are you ready to dive in? Before we proceed, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, our number 1 choice when it comes to website builders is Landingi. Link is in the description of this video, so make sure to try it out after watching this video. Landingi, the best for landing pages and sales funnels. It offers 400+ templates, a drag-and-drop editor, built-in A/B testing, and integrations essential for maximizing conversions in affiliate marketing or paid campaigns. This is something worth looking into. Coming in at number 2 is Hostinger Website Builder, the best budget all-in-one builder. It's an affordable complete package with web hosting, a domain name, and an AI-powered builder that can get a professional site live in under 30 minutes. It is also one of the most affordable website builders, so you can try it out with the link in the description of this video. Number 3 on our list is Wix. It is the best for creative businesses and portfolios. It is a feature-rich drag-and-drop builder with 900+ templates and an AI site builder, offering creative professionals full design freedom and a usable free plan for testing. You should try it out. Number 4 is SwipePages. This particular website builder is currently excelling for mobile-first paid ad campaigns. It generates accelerated mobile pages, ensuring instant loading on smartphones, significantly boosting conversion rates, and features modern templates ideal for high-ticket offers. Elementor is the 5th choice and is best for WordPress sites. As the most widely used WordPress page builder, it offers a full drag-and-drop visual editor, appealing to bloggers and content owners who want total control without needing to code. When it comes to WordPress, this is the most favorite options. Our 6th option is WishPond, the best all-in-one starter for beginners. It combines website building and basic marketing automation, including landing pages, pop-ups, and email marketing, into one affordable subscription. You should try it out using the link in the description of this video. Number 7 on my list here is Unbounce, and it is best for B2B and performance marketers. Its smart traffic feature automatically routes visitors to the highest converting page variant, often improving results by 30% or more, ideal for heavy paid ad spenders. The link is also in the description of this video, so go try it out. Looking at global platform proportions, WordPress maintains deep dominance at 43%. However, visual SaaS engines like Wix and Squarespace at 22%, and professional e-commerce ecosystems like Shopify at 15% are capturing massive market share. For e-commerce, the choice is Shopify versus WooCommerce. Shopify is the scale default with reliable infrastructure and minimal upkeep. WooCommerce is content-led, offering custom product layouts on WordPress, but it requires routine technical plugin maintenance. WordPress is the open powerhouse that grants complete content ownership and total server freedom. Keep in mind that this requires you to handle independent hosting and ongoing security updates. Webflow, the designer-first engine, features visual CSS mapping that generates standard semantic code. It offers a structured CMS for custom schemas and enterprise-grade hosting quality with global CDN networks and security built in. Finally, this comparison table highlights the core pricing, complexity, and best target use cases for several top platforms, including Squarespace, Wix, Shopify, Webflow, and WordPress. Take a moment to review which platform aligns best with your needs. Be aware of critical pitfalls. Avoid the closed system trap, which limits deep database connections. Don't underestimate maintenance, especially for self-hosted systems needing weekly security updates. And avoid template locking that prevents migrating layouts. To better understand this, check out the full article on my blog. Link is in the description of this video. So, which website engine fits your goal? We encourage you to share in the comments which platform you are currently using. For more information on this comparison, kindly visit our blog. Link is in the description of this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any future updates from us. I will see you in the next video.